Hello friends! Today we will learn animals. Are you ready? Let's have fun! Look carefully! Can you guess this animal? Yes, this is a cat. Cat says meow, meow, meow. Let's learn how to write cat. C is for cat. Let's make the sound. C, cat. Say it with me. C, cat. Yay! Look at the cat. The cat is happy. Purr, purr, purr. Oh, the cat is hungry. Hungry cat. Yummy, yummy, yummy. A new animal is coming. This is a pig. The pig is pink. Let's learn how to write pig. P is for pig. Let's make the sound. P, pig. The pig loves mud. The pig looks so happy. Wow, happy pig. Oh, playing games? So fun. Now, let's feed the pig. Pig is eating. Crunch, crunch, yummy, yummy food. Can you guess the next animal? Listen. Yes, this is a dog. Let's learn how to write dog. D is for dog. Let's make the sound. D, dog. D, dog. Wow, dog loves to play. Roll the ball. The dog is friendly. Can you bark like a dog? Wow, the dog is hungry. The dog is eating crunchy, crunchy food. Who's next? Can you guess? It's a big one. Yes, it's an elephant. Let's learn how to write elephant. E for elephant. Let's make the sound. E, elephant. Elephant, elephant. Elephants have long trunks. They have big ears. The elephant is so big. Look, what a clever elephant. The elephant is painting. Good job. Now it's time for eating. Yum, 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 yum. Can you make a guess for this animal? Yes, it's a monkey. Let's learn how to write monkey. M is for monkey. Let's make the sound. M, monkey. Look at the monkey. Monkey can swing. The monkey likes trees. Yes, let's feed the monkey. Monkey eats banana. Great job! Today we learned cat, dog, pig, elephant, and monkey. You did wonderful. Bye-bye. See you next time.